Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today in front of us, we'll be unboxing the Elektra Verve dual boiler espresso machine. This is a beauty out of the box, and typically this machine will ship on a pallet. It may change in the future, but safest travels is usually on a pallet. It may arrive curbside at your dock if you're a business, also a curbside at your home, residence, or office. So when you see the pallet arrive, please make sure that nothing is crushed. If it is, please sign off next to your signature, damage subject to inspection, damaged equipment subject to inspection. Something to that effect, because once you sign for it and don't make any markings on any pallet shipment you receive from any company, any product, the shipping company clears themselves. So if you ever suspect damage, better to check. Sometimes a driver will let you inspect it, most times they won't. So that's why you put subject to inspection. So we have the Elektra box here. We are going to open it using a little blade right here. Let's get that open. Sometimes you'll see our tape. We do bench test every single one of these machines. Okay, we open this up here and got to get this side over here. Sometimes you'll see a few layers of Elektra tape, and we're blocking my face here. And typically you'll see a box inside. This is usually the tamper that's included. Nice tamper with wood. Okay, and then we have an accessory box, which will include a dual cup basket. Looks like a single cup and a blind. And there's a couple tie wraps in there. I'm not sure why. Whoop. We have the riser for making espresso, because the higher you can get the cup to the spout, the better it is. And the keys fell out. Don't lose the keys. Okay, make sure you keep it in a safe place. Sometimes you put it under the machine. That's a good place, or on the top. And then we have a nice wood-handled portafilter. As you can see, it's angled, so it's also level, which is a great feature. And then I already broke the foam, and sometimes my tech will break the foam when they're testing this machine. So you just be aware of that. It may not be intact, because we do bench test every single one before shipping out. And that's pretty much every machine that we sell at First Line. I'm taking out all the foam pieces from the packaging here. And then this one is to the front. Now, I will show you this machine here. Okay, now it moved to the side. Okay, I don't want to grip by the rails. I want to sneak my hand underneath in the back or the side, and then also grip by one of the valves. So I have a little step stool behind me. You're gonna miss my head on this. And basically, like I said, one hand in back and behind, and then with the valve, and then I'll drop the box over here, let that fall. And as you can see, this is how I unboxed it. This is a heavy machine. Woohoo! What fell out? Electrical cord right there. And inside the box, we have a direct plumb hose, which is a flex hose, and the drain hose, which you can connect to the front of the machine. There's the instruction manual. Actually, it looks like an ad. There's a manual behind it and the tests. Now, we'll take the plastic bag off. Okay, I'll spin this machine around. Okay, we have plastic over the wands. We will take these off because we do test the group head. Now, this is a saturated group head. There's water in this boiler that's above the group head, and the steam boiler is towards the back, separate steam boiler. We'll inspect the machine and make sure it doesn't vibrate. And again, when you're shipping on a pallet, there's less chance of damage to the machine. We have our cover here. So there's a tank here with a hose. Okay, that's back there. It's always best to refill the tank outside of the machine, because if you ever pour water into a tank and overfill it or miss, and you get water inside any espresso machine, you can cause damage. And then if you notice on this side, you have where you can put in your electrical cord. And we'll put the cover back on. And if you look here, there's little indentations. That goes up against the rail on the back side, indentations on the rail on the front side. And drip trays right here. To remove the drip tray, you turn this little knob right here, and of course this will come out. Okay, and when you're putting it back in, here's where the drain pipe would get connected, the hose. So you would have to remove this. So this is set up right now for non-draining. Once you get the machine, fill up the water tank, start it up, you will hear the pump refilling. Okay, and typically takes anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes. The longer the better for the warm-up time. And then from there, once you're warming up, also run some water through the group head as well, not just let the boiler refill for the steam. And that's pretty much it, but take a look at this gorgeous beauty. We had this at the machine at the New York Coffee Fest 2024 in March, and this garnered a lot of attention, as well as the Chicago SCA Expo in 2024. This got a lot of attention. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Thank you for viewing how do we unbox this gorgeous espresso machine, the Elektra Verve. And if you have any questions, please ask down below. Follow our social media channels and go to our website, look up more information about this wonderful product. Thank you for watching. Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Coffee first, everything else second. Wait for my next video on this machine. Take care.